Assalamu alaikum students. So we have seen that the writer, that is Venkatesh Varan Iyer, he decided to first grow moong, and then second he decided to grow a traditional grain rice, that is kasbai, and he took his friend and Moru Dada and all the elder people and get the information to collect the information of this particular rice. Now we will see. So from here we will see the tales of Kasbai made us more determined to get it. We decided that if we did manage to get some seeds, this would be a great rice to grow. I thought the government may know now something about it. A visit to the agricultural officer was enlightening. So he had started searching for this particular rice because he want to grow, and enlightening means greater knowledge and understanding. समझना बहुत अच्छे से. He had not even heard of this rice variety. The officer has not heard of this rice till now. He said the villagers were taking me for a ride and there was no rice by this name. And he was also surprised, the government agricultural officer was very surprised that this type of rice is not available, or whether it is available, the villagers have not heard about it earlier. So this name, he rattled off the names of a number. He rattled the name of a number of latest hybrids and even offered to give me some of them free of cost for a trial. So the officer rattled off means बहुत ज़्यादा देर तक बात करने के बाद, talk rapidly, and he gave me some rice to taste or for trial, whether check it, this rice is good or not. Cursing myself for wasting time with him, I moved on to the next destination. But after talking to the officer, I made to the conclusion that I wasted my time while talking to him. This time it was the Adivasi Mahamandal at Kasa, which buys rice from the Adivaji villagers on behalf of the government. So Adivasi also sell some rice, and Mahamandal also buy some product from Adivasi, and Kasbai didn't figure in their files. A good indication why people didn't grow it anymore. The market itself didn't recognize the rice. So if you grow it will, if you grieve it, you would not be able to sell it. The writer is now very much confused whether if I grow this type of rice, whether I am able to sell it or not. However, the officer in charge here had more knowledge of rice and did remember kasbai being sold to him a few years ago. One officer told me that I heard this rice kasbai. So when I was in Dhenwari Baban and I started looking for Divu Handa and found a greying old man wearing a cap sitting outside his house on a charpai. An ex-sarpanch of the village, he had acres of land, a huge house and a large family. So I made one more person, his name is, he is an ex-sarpanch of the village and Babban. After exchanging the unusual pleasantries, we came to the topic of kasbai. While talking about different types of things, now the writer came to the point, and that is about the rice. The rice is kasbai. The mere mention of kasbai and Devu Handa drifted into the past. His eyes turned dreamy, and with a tremble in his voice, he told us how the entire village at one time grew only kasbai. Now the person to whom the writer is getting the information, he told the whole village is years ago, or maybe long ago, used to grow only this type of rice. He said there was a time when people passing our village during lunchtime would be forced to stop and ask for a meal. Such was the alluring aroma of Kasbai. इतनी अच्छी खुशबू थी उस राइस की that people used to sit and have a meal there. The entire area would have this heady aroma hanging in the air, so all the houses cooked the same rice. Not the person who is going from the village used to sit and have the meal. The whole village used to eat the same rice. Today, he said, no one grew kasbah and everyone had shifted to growing the new hybrid varieties. Now, all the farmers also want instant and hybrid crops because it saves your time. Today, he said, no one grew kasbah and everyone had shifted to growing the hybrid varieties. He claimed he had to force himself to eat this rice that was so insipid. वो बोला कि इतने प्यारे और इतने अच्छे राइस थे. That is so. And now the person said that we are eating this insipid rice. That is, insipid means that flavorless. जिसका कोई flavor ना हो. With the advent of irrigation, farmers were tempted to grow a second crop, and kasbai, being a long duration rice, was replaced by the shorter duration hybrids so that the harvest could be done earlier. As I said, everyone wants less time, everyone have the less time and good harvest. Even farmer also wants. So the person that this type of rice needs large and long duration this type of rice need. So the farmers, they want short, hybrid and earlier type of crops. This ensured that the farmers could take up a second crop. So the farmers now decided that we can take up the second crop also. So this much we have finished. Now see, I asked why he had shifted if he was so unhappy with the hybrids. I asked to the person, the Baban, that why you shifted to the crops which are hybrid and you are not happy with it. No one forced him to do, did they? He smiled and replied that their fields didn't have fences, and once the harvest was over, the cattle were released. Now, see, the problem is that once the crop is done, now for the new crop is the field should be ready for the new crop. The fences is replaced. So it is good for the cattle to come and eat over there into the fields. I will stop here.